Watch the orange tape. Oh, that was I'm still kind of way up on it, but it's a stick. See, I backed up there.
Mr. Solis, please.
Oh yeah, just. No, I can't. That throws so unstable.
Now with that quad or triple you did,
That was quad left up.
quad left up, try and float into a Floridian. But practice with it first. I'll try and record.